Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So lately I've been seeing a ton of people talking about this Chapters Interactive Stories method that supposedly gives you unlimited diamonds and tickets really fast. At first I honestly thought it was probably fake, but after seeing so many comments and videos about it, I decided to test it myself just to see if anything would actually happen. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through the whole process step by step, show you exactly what I tried, and then we'll check the final results together at the end. So the first thing I needed for this was my Chapters Interactive Stories player ID. I opened the game, went into the profile settings section, and found it there almost immediately. After that, I just copied the ID and saved it because I was going to need it for the next step. Honestly, up to this point, the whole process was super easy and only took like a minute. Next, I opened a browser on my phone. I used Chrome, but I'm pretty sure any browser would do the job. Then I entered the website people have been talking about recently. The site loaded normally without sending me through a bunch of random pages, which surprised me a little. The layout was straightforward and easy enough to figure out. Once I got onto the site, I searched for the Chapters Interactive Stories Unlimited Diamonds and Tickets tool and selected it from the list. After that, I picked my device type. I'm using Android, but I noticed there was an iPhone option there too. Then I pasted my player ID into the box, made sure everything looked right, and moved on to the next step. So far, the whole thing was actually going pretty smoothly and didn't seem complicated at all. After that, I had to choose how much of the resource I wanted to add. Since this was supposed to be a real test, I picked one of the higher amounts to see if it would actually make any difference. The site then started showing loading screens and progress animations. It definitely looked convincing, although that alone doesn't really prove anything. Near the end, there was a quick verification step, which is pretty common on sites like this. I already completed that part earlier, so now let's get to the important part. This was honestly the part I was the most interested in. After finishing everything, I reopened Chapters Interactive Stories and checked my account to see if anything actually changed. And surprisingly, the extra diamonds and tickets were already there instantly. I didn't need to restart the game again or wait around for a few minutes. Everything showed up right away. Not gonna lie, I really didn't expect it to work that quickly. So yeah, now you've seen the entire test from start to finish, and you can decide for yourself what you think about it. If you've ever tried something similar in Chapters before, let me know in the comments how it went for you. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe because I'll probably be testing more methods like this very soon. Hey, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.